Hey, what's up guys? I am here with the famous BigFoot. He helped me to film this tutorial, so let's get started.
Yeah!
And know all of you is wondering, hey Fusion Master, how were you able to get such an amazing collab with BigFoot, where everyone else struggles to get a single photo or autograph? Well, it's simple. I use an amazing magic tool which crushed the trends right now. Today I will unravel not one but 3 viral amazing trends. And the best part of it? You can have them done with a single prompt and a single tool. Crazy, right? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to recreate some of the most viral trends right now using Google's brand new text-to-video model, VEO3. This tool has been going absolutely crazy online lately, and honestly, it deserves the hype. It's not just generating videos, it's also creating sounds, and the results are insane. Let's check out some of the viral trends people are making with it. First up, we've got these cutting glass objects ASMR videos. Super satisfying, and some of them are racking up millions of views. Then we've got these funny BigFoot vlog-style videos that are blowing up. This creator gained 1.2 million followers in under a month, just from this concept alone. Crazy views, wild growth. Another trend that's taking off is recreating Bible stories using VEO3. These are also pulling in huge numbers, and they're super creative.
He told y'all and y'all ain't listening. Evil tried, he saved our lives. Big JC and 5, baby!
All of these trends are generating serious views and money, and today I'm going to break down exactly how to make them step by step. Let's get into it. Okay, so to access VEO3 and comfortably use all its features, I highly recommend using a VPN set to the USA. The reason for that is simple. Flow mode isn't available outside the US, and you won't be able to unlock the full experience without it. I personally use ExpressVPN, but you can just search free VPN on Google and pick whatever works best for you. NordVPN is another solid and reliable option. Once your VPN is set and active, you'll see that you can now sign in and fully access the Flow interface. That's where the real fun begins. Now let's go ahead and jump into one of the hottest trends right now. These BigFoot vlog-style videos that are gaining millions and millions of views across social platforms. And to bring this trend to life, we're going to need strong prompts. And here's the good news. You don't have to come up with those prompts yourself. FusionMaster's got you covered. I've already prepared a template prompt you can copy, paste, and tweak however you like, and I'll drop it right in the description for you. Basically, all you need to do is fill in the blank parts of the prompt with your own creative twist. You can use any character, not just BigFoot, and customize the script however you want to match the vibe you're going for. For example, here I created a white Yeti.
Hello, y'all. Today I will be exploring the forbidden mountain areas where the humans usually dwell.
Well, I'm going to generate a yellow Yeti who's vlogging in the mountains and saying, "What's up, y'all? I'm looking for humans to scare." Once you've filled out your template, just submit the request to ChatGPT and it'll give you a polished, ready-to-use prompt made specifically for VEO3. From there, you can take that prompt and paste it into either Gemini or Flow, whichever one you prefer. Let's take a look at the result.
What's up, y'all? I am in this forbidden snowy mountain looking for humans to scare.
And wow, I think the result is absolutely amazing. It looks super realistic, and the voiceover is honestly perfect and hilarious. The best part is that you can use this same exact template to generate any kind of character you want, and the results just keep getting better. Now let's take it a step further and ask ChatGPT to generate a full script for a 1-minute video featuring our Yellow Yeti vlogger. The twist here is that VEO3's time limit per video is 8 seconds, so we'll ask ChatGPT to break the story down into 8-second segments. The goal is to have a fluid, connected mini-story where each part flows into the next. That way, we can generate all the scenes separately and then compile them into a full 1-minute plus video. Why over a minute? Because TikTok only monetizes videos that are at least 1 minute long, so this is the key if you want to start getting paid. And just like that, ChatGPT delivers exactly what we asked for. It broke the story down into 8 clean segments, which makes it super easy to generate each scene separately without losing the flow of the overall story. Now all we have to do is go back to our template request and use the segment script in place of the blank section at the end. Drop that in and boom. ChatGPT gives us perfectly formatted prompts for VEO3, ready to go. From here, all you need to do is copy the prompt, paste it into either Gemini or Flow, and hit generate. All right, our result is ready. Let's check it out.
Check it out, my luxury suite for tonight. Built it myself with bare paws.
Yup, just like we expected. It looks great, super clean, super fun, and honestly, just imagine what kind of creative stories you could build using VEO3. At this point, the only limit is your own imagination. Now go ahead and download your clips, drag them into CapCut, switch to a 9:16 aspect ratio, scale it up a bit to fill the screen, and that's it. You're ready to export and upload. It's literally that easy.
What's up, y'all? I am in this forbidden snowy mountain looking for humans to scare.
Check it out, my luxury suite for tonight. Built it myself with bare paws.
Okay, now we're going to break down the second super viral trend, which is ASMR cutting glass objects. These videos are insanely satisfying to watch and are racking up millions of views with ease. Once again, I've got you covered. I've prepared a prompt template that you can use to recreate this exact type of content. I'll drop the template in the description so you can grab it anytime. As you'll see, there's a section in the prompt marked Object. That's where you can plug in any object you want to see being sliced with satisfying ASMR sound effects. For this example, I'm going to generate a glass apple. So I'll go ahead and fill in the blank spaces in the prompt with the word apple, and then paste that into the Gemini workspace. Our result is ready. Let's take a look. As you can see, the scene is actually really accurate, and the cutting sound is there too, which is great. But the perspective was a little bit off, and that happens sometimes. It's totally normal. Sometimes you need to generate a few different versions to get the result that really hits. Now let's switch over and work in the Flow workspace. I want to show you why Flow is a better option in some cases. It comes with more advanced features to work with, and it gives you more control overall. This time, I'll paste the same prompt, but instead of an apple, I'll go with a strawberry. I also want to tweak the prompt a bit to make the shot more specific. I want to see hands holding the glass object and slicing the glass strawberry piece by piece. For that, I asked ChatGPT to update the prompt with that detail, and then I pasted that into our original template. As you can see, ChatGPT gave us a nice updated version of the prompt. Now we're going to go ahead and paste that into the Flow prompt bar. Just make sure you have the latest VEO3 model selected before you hit generate. Okay, our prompt is ready. Let's see the result. And yep, this time it looks way better. Super clean, smooth animation, great perspective, and everything we asked for is in there. By the way, one of the best things about using the Flow workspace is that you can also download an upscaled 1080p version of your video. That feature is only available inside Flow, so definitely take advantage of that. Now you can use this prompt template however you want. Whether you want to change the color of the glass object, the type of fruit, or even the background. All you have to do is tell ChatGPT, for example, I want a colorful glass object being cut on a kitchen counter background, and it'll generate exactly what you need. That's how you can easily start creating those colorful, super viral ASMR videos in just minutes. And now it's time to replicate the final viral trend for today, recreating Bible stories using VEO3. As you've probably seen, these videos are pulling in massive views, and for good reason. So without further delay, let's jump back into ChatGPT and type the following request. Give me a prompt for VEO3 to recreate the scene of Moses splitting the Red Sea and vlogging their whole experience, saying along the way, God is great, look what he did. It needs to be from a selfie camera perspective, where he's recording himself looking into the camera, and in the background, a bunch of people are following him and crossing the path. The scene should be accurate to what happened that day. Boom! Just like that, we have a ready-to-use prompt for VEO3. Let's go ahead and copy it, then paste it directly into the Flow workspace. While that's generating, let's go ahead and prep another biblical scene. This time, a moment with young David before fighting Goliath. Type this into ChatGPT. Give me a prompt for VEO3 to recreate a scene where King David is vlogging himself before fighting Goliath. He should be saying, "Yo, what's up, guys? I'm about to fight this giant dude, wish me luck," while pointing the camera toward giant human Goliath. Once the prompt is ready, copy and paste it, just like before. And yes, VEO3 lets you generate multiple videos at once, which is a huge bonus and saves a ton of time. Let's take a look at our results now.
God is great. Look what he did.
Yo, what's up, guys? I am about to fight this giant dude. Wish me luck.
Well, to say I'm shocked at how far AI has come would honestly be an understatement. The quality, the accuracy, the results speak for themselves. Now we're heading into CapCut. Drag those two clips into your project timeline, keep the 9:16 aspect ratio, upscale the video just a little bit for better framing, and if you want to add even more clarity for your audience, you can throw in some text overlays to explain what's happening in each scene. And just like that, boom, your viral video is ready to be uploaded and start collecting monetized income.
God is great. Look what he did.
Yo, what's up, guys? I am about to fight this giant dude. Wish me luck.
And there you go, 3 amazing huge mega trends: Crystal ASMR slicing fruits, Bigfoot Yeti vlogs, biblical stories. Of course, I didn't forget the Stormtroopers vlogs, which are amazing, but including them would make this video a bit too long. If you want me to pop on this trend with a super awesome tutorial, just drop a comment. Our amazing community is growing, reaching fantastic new heights. Here are the best comments from the previous video. You are a huge part of this success. Big shout out to you guys. Your AI Fusion Master appreciates your trust and support. Thanks for watching. Drop a like if you enjoyed this tutorial, and of course, share it and share this video. I hope to see your results and what you will come up with.
Hey bro,
let me know in the
you wanna
comments
take a
what
look
kind
at
of
the
results you
photos
got
I've taken at the
you will
party.
come up with. As always, stay creative and keep making magic.
Take a look at that. These are insane.
This has been a rough one. Have you seen Trump and that stormtrooper lately?
You've been right round, and you going down, and you going down now. You've been my head right around, when you go down, when you go down to there. Up that house with my flag, I hop in there, what go? I got places to go. What does each time a thrusters, I looked at my